Zizo Vero, and today I will be telling you a folktale story about the frog in Chakhesang dialect. Hazu Ukraine tiche to goken nino garble hyo. When ye sarazurati no is very no hizitio. Move up when ha Uzrayo no ta less chocotera vogatatiche, Usazopono, Unikuruk badije. Metoino taleno unizis cravogicity. Mus tije, Usazuano metos, pes umal hidasity. Mu Uzrano salavogzitije poeno, Azrayo ta. Honor of Craig Zippel or the Cradele, Tipogzitije, Uzrayono. Odip Conodas se, Tipogzitije. Umoino Jori, Una Bueno, Oches Tubi, Upieno, Sikabi, Sieno Pogzitije, Uzrayono Taino se. Umo hidime, Tigis, Moz, Jogutiano, or Sazuano Posse. Salah. Umo hidime, Uzra, Tigis, Sazuano, Moz, Jogutiano, Sibi Pegzitije, Uzra, Vapakadasati. Mu Uzra no Sagadasati, Usazuano Sulus Segi, opposite Pohidalizo, Vigze. Azurayo no, see here her battles, it's the Pomodalizo. Tieno Pogziti. Mu got to Segi. Mi pubono to market rebutino posu. Katrina molie, so circle hair no valale no chocoditidato, Sigizilano. Now I would like to say a common example, which the Naga parents used to say to their children. They say to the children to become like the other children. But we have learned from the folk story that we should not become like the others because our life will be valueless in the end of our day. Thank you.